Hello, I'm Councillor Pauline Judge, the Mayor of the London Borough of Lambeth. The best borough in London, actually in UK.
You want to win that jump too?
Yes, people, look, we have a next drum here, so people, look, a mad thing upon it, yo!
You know, some here, you know, eat this, but look, we cater for everybody.
Alright, so look, them have the jerk pork here, people. No, we don't eat the one here, but alright.
Yo! Like, I know how to cook, yeah? But I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo!
Tasty jerk, what one?
Yeah, man. Alright, man.
Big up yourself, you know.
Big up, big up, big up.
Yeah, man, so how long you jerk up them chicken? Because them chicken look well nice, you know, my brother. You know, say up on the YouTube, you go do.
Yeah?
So don't go and big up yourself and tell the people them what go on, my family.
Big up Angel Caribbean because you don't know anything. You turn us serving? Yeah. The best jerk in our town, you know. Best jerk in our town.
No, man, me a jerk person as well, you know, so I'm on you the side and side, so you can't say best, because I'm the best too, you know.
It's alright.
Yeah.
You're there for competition, it's alright.
You did it for competition?
Yeah.
You hear that, people? 24-hour kitchen and the competition. A good vibes, we're outside, you know, people.
Up.
Yeah, man, big up the general, because I'm there, so I put in the good work, you know, because we're at the event today, people, yeah. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen, we're outside. Don't know, say, yeah, me and Bobo do the power right now, Joe. Yeah, man, a mad move. Alright, go and big up yourself, my G, yeah?
Banners.
See if I there, go and do the thing. Alright. Yes, everybody, what go on, you don't know, say we're there, Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, we're outside, people, you know, say it's a country show, Lambeth country show. Yes, in Brixton, a good vibes, I'm outside. So today is a vlog day, everybody. I'm going to be showing you all the amazing stools and different things that's going on down here at the country show, people, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because we're outside, everybody. Yeah, man, a good vibe, man. In general, there, so I put in some work, said way. Yeah, man, the work I have to put in, so go and big him up, said way. I don't know, so yeah, I will eat more food. We're going to look for an idea and look for the different food in the different stools, them people. Outside, up. Yes, everybody, as you can see, we just reached a next food store here at the country show. Mr. Bombay. Yeah, man, there's a tandoori chicken that they're dealing with right here, people. Yeah, man, a good vibe, as you can see. We're outside, people. Different type of Indian food, said way. Yeah, man, outside.
You have a paisa le liya? Thank you, sir. At the bottom is hot.
Hello. What's that sauce there that you're adding on?
This is oil.
Oil. Okay.
Vegetable oil.
What is there any main ingredients that you put for your
Yeah, there is many ingredients: chili, turmeric, tandoori masala, garlic, ginger, and coriander.
And where are you based? Where can the people find you?
Kingsbury.
Kingsbury. Okay.
Not West London.
This is for YouTube, so tell the people where they can find you.
No problem. Follow on at guptas.co.
Yes, everybody.
Yeah.
So big up the general here, so he's doing some royalties as well, as you can see. A good vibe, the air, we're in the park. Yeah, man, people, a 24-hour kitchen, and you know, so we're outside. Yeah, man, look at this.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You want to win that jump too?
Yes, people, look, we have a next drum here, so people, look, a mad thing upon it, yo! And I think a joke, a 24-hour kitchen and we're outside, we check out the whole life food style, them Caribbean Hut. You can check out Caribbean Hut people UK on the Instagram, link them up. Yeah man, a finger licking, check out the general thing here, so. So, what you have to say to the people and my boss?
Thank you people for me now.
And so come, finger licking. You know, some maybe you know eat this, but look, we cater for everybody.
Alright, so look, them have the jerk pork here, people. No, we don't eat that one here, but alright, for all of the pork lover them, see it here, people. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen, we outside and we just come link up Caribbean Hut, them at the country show, Brockwell Park, and I'm sure that you're gonna be here next year.
God willing, yes.
God willing, them are go there next year, people. And remember if you check them up on the Instagram.
And don't forget, we're traveling all around. We're going to One Love. We're there all over.
Alright, you hear that? Jerk chicken, people, and the jerk pork. Everything smells so amazing. One more time.
Everything but Caribbean. Ackee and saltfish. We have on the menu dumpling, plantain, curry goat, chickpea curry,
Yeah,
ack patty,
yeah.
all flavour.
All flavor, people. You don't think I joke. We're outside fully.
Yes.
Now this one's different, people. Look, we got the old English truck out. Yeah, man. The old English truck, people. So this one's out. Yeah, a good vibe. So look at this setup. What you got in there? What's those?
Cannoli.
Cannoli.
Yeah.
So I don't know what cannoli is, so you're gonna have to explain.
You're going to have to try one, man. 2 pounds. Deep fries, like a crispy batter, and then you fill it with like a Nutella and hazelnut or pistachio and filling.
So is it like a dessert? Is it something that you'd have like after a dessert?
Yeah.
Can they find you on YouTube or Instagram?
Instagram, Carlito's Coffee.
Carlito's Coffee, people. Yeah, man, we're there. They're at the
Excuse me.
They're at the event. Different type of coffees, and this is an iced tea, yeah.
Yeah.
Made from like scratch. Fresh iced tea. All right, good vibes. And the coffee, where's your coffee from? I can smell it so strong.
Brazil, and it's a blend between Brazil and India.
Brazil and India. Great stuff. Yes, everybody, chicken for the YouTube. This is my YouTube, everyone. Yeah, chicken. Pick up yourself. So everybody, like, are you guys on Instagram?
No, we're on Facebook.
Facebook?
This is the first time this store's opened at a festival.
Alright, so big up yourself.
The christening
And then
day.
look, this is going on YouTube, so tell the people them what I go on today.
Come and get your fried chicken, your chips, we got your American fries.
And where they can, like, you know, other than this event today, yeah, where can we get you?
We do Reading, what's the other one? Isle of Wight. We do.
And I noticed that it's just women behind the counter. One, no men.
No men, just the women on this one.
Alright, big up you guys, so yeah, good vibes. Yes, big up the mayor of Lambeth here. Yeah man, she just up on the stage. Yeah man, big her up and bless her, said way. Yeah man. It's nice to actually see a mayor come out in African attire as well.
Thank you, Madam Mayor.
A
Let's
good
hear it
vibes.
one more time for the Mayor of Lambeth. Thank you, Brockwell Park. I know it's going to be an amazing weekend.
I just wanted to say something for Lambeth and Brixton, because I'm a local person from Lambeth.
Quick one.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Councillor Pauline Judge, the Mayor of the London Borough of Lambeth. The best borough in London, actually in UK, because we celebrate diversity, we honor diversity, we actualize diversity, we make sure that everybody is treated equally and given the opportunity to be in Lambeth. Lambeth is the best place to be born in, to visit, to grow old in. Come on Lambeth, big up Lambeth.
Thank you very much. It's a wonderful day out, everyone. As you can see, just step into the Funfair section. You can see it's a nice time to come out with your family as well. London Country Show, you can see that there's a lot of attractions and a lot of things going on, people. 24-hour kitchen, we're outside. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're with the kids at home right now. Yeah man, you show them what I go on and make sure say when there's a fun fair, yeah man, take out the kids and make a look and see what I go on, everyone. Nice, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Yeah man, very fun, you know, so the kids them have on this one here, everyone. Yeah man, are good vibes, we're outside. Wait, look, the kids do this. Trying to catch a duckling to get a prize. Yeah man, a good vibes. But you know it's very, very hard to win one of the big boy prizes. Yeah man, outside. Whoa, look at this everyone. Good sculpture here, someone they're making here. It's unfinished, you can see that there's a lot more to go, but it's looking good so far. Good vibes, 24-hour kitchen. We're at the Lambeth Country Show in Brixton. Yes, everybody, we're at another stall here right now. We've got Puddle Mud. Good vibes. So we're gonna go in and check out what they're dealing with because the name stood out to me, Puddle Mud. So explore a unique skincare range inspired by African pomology.
This is my face cream made out of sea moss.
Wow, look at some of these soaps. Natural ingredients. If you can ever smell them, like they smell so amazing, everyone. Woo! 24-hour kitchen, we're outside. Yeah, man. And the price is 1 for £5 or 4 for £15. The prices are so good. So we got here the shea butter soap, vegan soap, made with organic oils, nourishing butters, therapeutic essential oils. Good vibes, people. Yeah man, we're outside. Puddle Mud. Look at this. Make it in Brixton, you know. Look what I go on. So what we've got here, it looks like a sewing machine that you pedal to get it going.
Should we wait until we get it? Okay, well this is this project's called Sweatshop.
Yeah.
And so you sew, you pedal, we sew. Yeah, you got to put in the effort and then you get a sweatshirt at the end of it.
Okay, so how long roughly would that take?
Take about 20 minutes from beginning to end, yeah? So
Yeah.
you probably have to you cycle for about 10 minutes. 10.
So you're gonna be cycling then, yeah?
I'm not cycling, I'm doing the sewing.
You're doing the sewing?
You have to do the cycling.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll be doing the cycling.
Yeah.
Good vibes.
Yes.
Alright, we're outside, everybody. I'm gonna be doing some cycling.
Hiya.
So what's happening here?
Hi, I'm making a yarn out of this naturally dyed wool. So they're from, we have like 2 different types of wool. So we have this has been dyed with alpaca. So this is alpaca wool and it's been dyed with onion skin.
Okay.
And this is indigo and then madder root. And then from that we're just making it into a yarn.
Okay, so you're can you just show me how it's done?
I've actually just learned also. So you pull it. Oh wait, sorry. Wait, hang on. Oh, yeah, so you basically pull it.
Look at that, guys. She's making it all into wool, into like a string. Good vibes. We're outside, 24-hour kitchen. Look at that. That's so amazing, everyone.
Thank you.
So all that banging that you could hear, yeah, this is what's happening over here. They're playing around with flowers, and it looks like vegetables.
It basil, parsley, and then you've got just normal flowers.
So what's going on here?
It's called hapazomi.
It's called
Hapazomi.
hapazomi.
And it's a Japanese technique
where you bash the flowers onto the fabric and you get a print.
Oh wow! So basically, could you just say the name again?
Hapazomi.
Hapazomi.
Yeah.
All right, everyone, did you hear that? So we're just gonna have a look and see what's happening underneath there.
That's all right. Enjoy. Did you want to have a go? Or are you just filming?
I'm just filming at the moment.
Did you want to have a go?
So as you can see, look at that. You can see the colours of the leaves printing out onto the fabric. Everyone, that's so amazing. And yeah, I'm outside 24-hour kitchen, and I'm learning something new, guys. So this is great stuff. So can I have a look at your one? So that's the finished one there. Good vibes. And this gentleman here, look, he's hammering away, guys. Look, he's really into it. So we're gonna see this pattern in just a second.
Almost done.
Almost done. Look at that, here we go. Ooh, look at that.
Sometimes that side.
All right.
This one is, these are the little, the red Gerber.
So look at that, everyone.
This is the stock.
Good vibes.
Tiny bezel.
Yeah,
And
man.
that's from the middle of the
Yeah.
Gerber. These
And look, we've got everything here.
You want some parsley?
Yeah, man. We're at the Lambeth Country Show, everyone. And I thought I'd come down here just to give you guys the content. You see it? Yeah, man, outside. Music a pump out in the background. YouTube, I have to turn it off. Now, what am I seeing ahead of me here? Now, look, everyone, look. What's going on? Now, look, why is there so many people queuing? I had to come down here to see what I go on. All right, everyone, look. Yeah, man, we're at Lambeth Country Show. Madness outside. So, look, we've got some sheeps up there. All right, look, we've got some. Oh, look at this. Okay, look what I go on, everyone. Look at that. This is something for the kids, them. Yeah, man. Good vibes. Look at that. So it looks like there's different things in each one. Down there, got some ducks. You have to put the hook over the ducks. This one looks like you have to knock down the little man them. Yeah, man. The kids them are work on the diggers them. A good vibe. Outside. They've used this to make a ride for the kids. Diggerland. As I've been on the farm and been doing my thing for quite a little while, people, yeah, and I went and go and link bushcraft. Oh my days! So look, we've got all the different type of goats there. Have a look, different type of sheep. Sorry, look. And names. Everyone's gathering around to look because yeah, it's different. Yeah, man, good vibes. 24-hour kitchen. We outside. How you doing? You right? Yeah.
You right?
How far you've travelled with these sheep today?
No, we came yesterday.
Came yesterday, yeah.
From Norfolk.
From Norfolk.
Yeah.
Okay, and these are all the different names.
Yeah, different breeds. They all have different names.
Okay. So are any of these sheep in the supermarkets?
No. So like some of the breeds are.
Yeah.
But not these ones. So most of these are boys. So these are the boys that.
Okay, so like big mills.
No, they would be breeding. Breeding sheep. You know what I mean? So
Okay.
These guys, their job is.
Okay.
Something else.
But do you have like these actual species on different farms and they actually breed them for actually supermarkets and stuff like that?
Sometimes for supermarkets, sometimes for wool.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It depends.
Do they know their names?
Not really.
So like the Lenny.
Yeah, that's for wool.
That's for wool?
That's for wool, yeah.
Okay, so the names that I see here, that's for the wool?
Yeah, so he's for wool. That guy there is a 100% breeding sheep.
Yeah?
Same with the Suffolk. The Norfolk Horn up there is almost extinct now.
That one at the top there?
So it's a rare breed, right? So you wouldn't do anything with that except try and keep it alive.
Okay, so look at that. Trying to keep that one there alive because he's a rare breed.
This guy here, about 20 years ago, there was a massive outbreak of foot and mouth in Cumbria. And as a breed, they got really hammered by that. So now there's very few of them left.
Okay, these guys here as well.
To look after those. But they've all got different jobs and different roles, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, these ones, really, they do nothing but get spoiled by me. You know?
Okay,
That's all that happens.
so you look after them?
Yeah.
Good vibes. Good vibes, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe. We all say. Look at that. They're going through the little cages now where they're going back. Yeah, man, a good vibe. We're outside. So, you know what I'm saying? We're at the Lambeth Country Show, everyone. Yeah, man, look at that. Yes, so we're at the Lambeth Country Show. Different type of sheeps out here. You know, look at this one. Seems like these bad boys here could be a little bit vicious because they got muzzlers on. Let's have a look and see what's over here. So here's an animal that I've never had on the program, a donkey. So have a look, everybody. Good vibes. 24-hour kitchen, we're outside. So we managed to buck up into a donkey, people. Yeah, man. Anybody ever watch Shrek? Who's a Shrek fan? Any Shrek fans out here? A good vibe. Have a look.
So excited.
Some Shrek fans here, yeah? Alright, good vibes. And the valley said way people. Yeah, man, a good vibes. We're outside. Imagine that, everyone. We've got my boy Snowballs. I'm not even gonna call his name. My boy Snowball here. Look, mad thing. He's at the event, you know. Yeah, go on in with himself, everybody. Yeah, you don't know what time it is. 24-hour kitchen. Go and find him on the Instagram as well, everybody. Yeah, because he's making them mad Snowballs, people. Yeah, you have to check him out. No joking. Different type of hot dogs, everyone. Mad thing I go on Yassa as well, you know. Look at this. Look at the setup.
They're mine, I've just put 2 on. That one still needs to put 2 brats.
So the general is still there, so I put in the work, you know, people. And they think I joke.
Non-stop.
Non-stop, man. I'm there, I put in the work, people.
Keep the fire strong.
So look, yo, we're outside, people. Look at them right there. You see them right there? Them right there, they're normal enough. Alright, so Funfair, you know, so the Funfair full of excitement, people. Yeah, man, we're almost to the end of the day of like just capturing visuals. And you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully outside, people. 24-hour kitchen. If you like Wagwan, people, and you like today's episode, people, just hit the subscribe button, yeah? And put on the notifications. Yeah, man, and I'll see you again soon because we're coming to the end of the episode, just wrapping everything up. I'm just going around and getting the last of the visuals, them, and trying to get some great images for you guys, everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying Wagwan as well. Yeah, man, as you can see, we went to see the goats them today. We went to look at the goats and look at the ride behind me at the same time. I go on Sedway with the madness. Yeah, we went to look at the goats, the animals them today. Loads of different Caribbean stools them out. Big up Snowball, he's out here putting in the work as well. I see my virgin, he's out here putting in the work. Yeah, man, add him up on the Instagram, people. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, at Ringo Vision, there's a lot of different jerk stools, Caribbean restaurants as well. I showed you guys quite a few Caribbean restaurants. I showed you guys quite a bit of reactions of the people them eating their food as well. Yeah, man, because you know, say it's a food channel, so you can't leave out the food as well as the good vibes and everything Wagwan. Yes, people, respect and thank you. You know, so we're outside. Yeah, man, Ringo Vision.
Put them up, hands in the air.
So anyway, I had to find the bumper cars in the Funfair, you know. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Yeah, man, all that stuff there is fun. Yeah, journey continues. Bless up everybody, you know, so we're outside. Yes, people, you don't know what time it is. We're there with the Lambeth Country Show people. We've got some exclusive old school retro vehicles here. Yeah, man, we just have a look, people. You know what, people, yeah? You know, so we're at the end of the session. And big up yourself, people, yeah? Everybody that's been in tune on the segment today, people, yeah? Don't forget to what? Like, comment, and what? Subscribe. What? Subscribe, people, and share up the thing. Yeah, man, we outside, man. Pull it. So Smiley, look. Enough of them vehicles that them have out there, so